There are many helpful tools available on Transfer Virginia. I'd like to show you under Transfer Tools how to search major. If you click on Search Major, this is going to show an entire list of all of the programs loaded in Transfer Virginia. This is also the same page that would come up if you click Programs and Courses in the yellow bar along the top. So you can see that there are lots and lots of programs, 352 pages of programs. So I want to show you how to filter the results to find exactly what you're looking for. So you could filter by institution. You only want to see programs offered by Brightpoint Community College, for example, or Bluefield University, or you can show more and see the entire list of institutions that are participating. You could also filter just by the award. I only want to see associate degrees. This would also include the Passport and UCGS, the 15 and 31 to 32 credit certificates that have transferable courses. We actually even have 2 doctorate programs loaded in here. You could search just by transferable degrees. Those are considered Associate of Arts in Science, Associate of Science. There might be a few other headings there, but these are considered transferable degrees at community colleges, transferring to our 4-year universities. You could have seen an ad, for example, about one of our special initiatives. Maybe you want to find out what program is covered by Transfer Boost or by the Online Virginia Network. You could search by career clusters. So for example, you know you want something in education and training, but you don't really know what. So you could click on education and training and maybe combine that with associate degree to see what education and training degrees are offered at the community colleges. And then finally, you can filter by delivery mode. The in-person is a primarily traditional program. You need to go on campus to complete that program. Online would be that the program can be completed fully online. So then I want to also point you to the keyword search. And I'm going to use the example that's there. I am interested in an accounting degree. So let's search for accounting. And, you know, wow, we still have 11 pages of accounting degrees. So maybe it's that I want an associate degree in accounting. That narrows it down to the community colleges that offer accounting. So there are ways that you can filter and see what programs are being offered, whether it's with a keyword search, the career cluster, maybe it's the award, or maybe it's how you want to take it or where you want to take the major. But use that filtering process to narrow down your choices.